Hello everyone, we will talk about the Toshiba VFD alarm. So its fault code is OCL 0004. Alarm is overcurrent. It's come a startup. Okay, we will discuss on the troubleshooting and everything. So normally in the VFD, error code will be OCL or 004. It means it's an overcurrent alarm. Like VFD is like giving current more than required of the motor. It means like motor is taking current more than like its capacity. So here could be the issue insulation of the main circuit of the motor. Like there are more chances that motor is defective. Second is motor is too small impedance. Third is voltage 200 voltage 11 to 18.5 kilowatt 400 15 400 volt 15 to 18.5 kilowatt. Model was stated all through a current is leaked from output cable or motor to ground. There could be another reason, like any cable of the motor is connected to earth. Okay, so first you need to check all the cables are insulations are properly. Second, there could be the reason like VFD is higher, oh sorry, lower and motor is very higher, and need to check all the connectors and all. And third could be there is the damage into the power card of the VFD. So all three reason could be for this issue. So if you will check all these reasons, so you will get the solution into the VFD, or you can check like motor parameter are completely matching with the into the VFD data. So if VFD data also is matching and all these are everything will work, so it will be resolved. If your problem is still not resolved, you can write a mail to us. You need to mention your name, mobile number, model of the VFD, what is the issue in that, what is the size of the VFD. With these details, you need to write a mail to us. We will reply on that. Second, we have one PDF. In that, there is mention everything related to VFD. You will get more and more information with that PDF. So that PDF is paid and it is very minimum price. So it will not on a higher cost. You can write a mail and we can provide you that PDF also and that VFD solution.